how did you discover AccioJob and how many drives have you sat here for?
It was my second drive. Like I've already mentioned that I have given the test of Galactics in March also. I got to know about AccioJobs through my friends. They were also going for the drives and all. Then I got to know about it.
Got it. So why did you? So we have a lot of different drives happening, and even for data analysts there are multiple companies. Not as many as software development, but we do have. So what made you decide to come only for Galactics?
No, it wasn't specific. Like it was just a coincidence that I haven't set for any other company.
Okay, got it. Wonderful. When is your joining now, Khushi?
It is from 1st of September.
1st of September. Okay, so Monday. Congratulations. Hi everybody. Today we have Khushi Vishwakarma here with us. She discovered AccioJob through one of her free tries and is now placed as a data analyst with Galactics. Welcome, Khushi.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
So Khushi, let's start with your background, right? Let's talk about your college, the degree that you did, and what happened during college placements.
Okay, so I have done my graduation from Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad in 2024 from Computer Science branch. In my fourth year, I was much focused towards GATE. So I was thinking to pursue MTech and preparing for GATE. But eventually it didn't happen, so I need to get a job. Currently actually I am pursuing my graduate apprenticeship trainee in Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. So it has been 5 months here also. So the exam for Galactics I have also given in I think February also it was opened. And that time I wasn't able to clear the test. Then it was again conducted. Then I have given the test and I got through it.
Got it. So let's break it, right? So college, you wanted to go for your MTech, so you did do GATE preparation. So what made you not go ahead with MTech and decide to go for a job instead? Why that?
Actually, I am still preparing for GATE. It is not like that I have left the preparation. But for 1 year, I have given in my full. Then I thought that I cannot afford much years to waste. That's why I thought that I should take a job and then I'll prepare.
Yes, that's a very smart decision. People waste actually a lot of years, preparing and not having that work experience, and that gap in the CV that starts staring them, and then everything becomes difficult from there. So very, very smart decision to prepare while having a job, right? And plus with work experience you can always get better opportunities later on, unless you want to do PhD and go in academics. Is that the plan?
No, not at all.
Then definitely your work experience now will 100% help you in your masters. Okay, so currently the role that you're working in, right? You mentioned you're working with Hindustan Petroleum. So what is that role, if you can tell us?
Here also I am much into the data analysis thing. There are multiple reports are getting generated in the system. Like it is a oil industry. So I am in operations and distribution department. Which is basically deals with the sale of the product of the diesel and the petrol. So we need to take care of the transportation. There are multiple factors, like the transporter should not go from the deviated route, they should not stop at any location, and they should not disconnect the power of the softwares installed in the tank trucks and all. So all of these reports are getting generated. So I need to report to the RO, the general manager of the department, with the report analysis, and so that we can send the mail to the locations where the actual sale things is happening. I am in the node zone. So what zone does it? We monitor the location. So I need to do all of these report analysis thing here also, and I usually visit the location also in a month. So that is also a good experience here.
Nice. So okay, one question, right? Now that you have experienced what actually means to be an analyst, right? versus your understanding before. How has that changed? When data analyst was just a concept and somebody must have told you, you understood it. And in practice, while working, right, what has changed in your understanding?
To be very honest, I wasn't much aware about this field before joining here. So then I got into this thing. Then I thought that when I have some experience, I should go with the company which actually does this thing only. So this was the mindset of mine. I didn't know about this before.
Got it. So in college, you were like, okay, I want to do MTech. In which field were you thinking?
In now computer science only, in CSE, basically CSE, not in AI or data science वगैरह. I was
got. So now, has after working here and now you placed as data analyst only with Galactics, which is a product-based company, right? So you will be working in that field. So now, has your preference changed once you do your masters? Would it be in data science field, or would you want to go back to computer science and software side? Or you have not thought?
I feel that maybe I'll go with the data science thing. Like it has been only 5 months here, so it will depend on the exposure and the experience.
Got it. It's too soon to say. How did you discover AccioJob and how many drives have you sat here for?
It was my second drive. Like I've already mentioned that I have given the test of Galactics in March also.
Okay.
I got to know about AccioJobs through my friends. They were also going for the drives and all. Then I got to know about it.
Got it. So why did you? So we have a lot of different drives happening, and even for data analysts there are multiple companies. Not as many as software development, but we do have. So what made you decide to come only for Galactics?
No, it wasn't specific. Like it was just a coincidence that I haven't set for any other company.
Okay, got it. Understood. When is your joining now, Khushi?
It is from 1st of September.
1st of September. Okay, so Monday. Congratulations. If you could, now just brief us about your Galactics interview experience, how that was. And if you would like to add something for people who want to maybe go for Galactics in future.
Okay, so first was the assessment round on AccioJobs. Then they have sent an Excel-based assessment after 2 or 3 days from the assessment. For the people who cleared the AccioJobs assessment. Then after I think 1 week we got to know about our interview dates. So then the interview was face to face and there were 2 rounds. First was from product manager. She took my interview, and then second round was HR round. So she took my HR round.
Cool.
This was the experience, and basically they ask about, if you're a fresher, they will ask about your personality and all, and the projects maybe, but mainly about your personalities, hobbies, and what do you do in your free time. Basically they try to judge on the basis of your hobbies and interests, like how do you spend your time. And if you have some experience, then it will majorly be about that experience only, like what do you do in that company, how is your experience, what are your roles and responsibilities, and all of these things.
Got it. Understood. Thank you for sharing that. I'm pretty sure it will help a lot of people. Now let's move to the last part of our talk, right? The rapid fire, as I was mentioning. So I'll ask you a couple of questions, and whatever comes to your mind, this answer. Okay. One word to describe the moment you got the Galactics offer.
It was amazing.
What's tougher? Cracking GATE CSE or a data analyst interview?
GATE CSE for sure.
Absolutely. Python, C++ or Excel? Which one would you choose? Python. Coffee fueled late nights or early morning hustle? What got you here?
Early morning.
Okay. Which project of yours deserves a Netflix series? Blockchain crowdfunding or image to voice AI?
Image to voice AI. That was actually our group project, final year project, and it was very tough. Like we don't know till now how it has happened.
Oh, yes. Final year projects do have great, stories. It's been more than 10 years for me, and I can still talk about it. So
yes, same here.
Okay, pivot tables or VLOOKUP, which is your true best friend?
Pivot tables.
Same. Um, who was the biggest cheerleader during your placement prep?
It is my best friend Pratik. He has been always there with me with all the ups and downs. Any problem, he is here. Anything. Like here also, if I get stuck in my work in HPCL also, I just ping him like, please sort it, and he is always there.
Oh, okay. One last question. Describe Acroverb in one word.
Like, it is a blessing for the people who are looking for off-campus jobs.
No, thank you so much.
Because opportunities are not that much easily available nowadays. It is very tough to get into one.
Yeah, that's true. We are facing it difficulty. We speak to almost 80 to 100 companies every day, and then out of those, few of them are able to get for our physics and everybody. Takes a lot of time.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Khushi, for doing this.